This is the way. Today we tested your machine and with your mode. So first of all, let me introduce our machine for you so you can see the same machine when the machine reaches to your factory. This is pneumatic clutch. It controls the tension of unwinding for the paper roll. And for this part, it's hydraulic. You can make it up and down through this, up and down. It's emergency stop. If any issue happens, you can click the emergency. The machine will stop. It's automatic and manual feeding. You can control to automatic or manual and jog the feeding. This is feeding roller. And this is control the paper forward and backward through this roller. And paper left and right through this. This is auto web guide. And this is the air valve on and off for both roller. And 6 MR. Let's check. Clutch. And this is pneumatic. Pneumatic will control it, make it up and down. It's cutting a wheel. Your wooden die is inside. This is your wooden die and 970 by 550 12 ounce. Is the rear number. It's collection part. You can see from the video, the paper sheets is stuck both very good. There is no issue. There's no problem for paper cover fast too. No fiber on it. And we already checked all items for the machine and it's good. It's servo motor. Wheels for timing control. And the pump for lubrication system. Slider servo drive and slider frequency converter, slider PLC, slider switch. All key parts we adopt the Schneider from French brand. High configurations. Different light from FEDA. If you want to check anything else, please inform me as soon as possible.